Conquer your income tax obligations with this straightforward guide to individual tax calculation. First, we need to figure out your total taxable income. This includes all the money you earn from various sources. Think salary, wages, freelance income, rental income from properties, and any interest earned on savings or investments. Add all these up to get your gross income. Next, let's unlock those valuable deductions. These are expenses that can legally reduce the amount of income you pay tax on. Common deductions include home loan interest, medical expenses, tuition fees for education, and contributions to retirement savings plans. You'll need to gather receipts and documentation for these. Now for the tax slabs. These are income brackets, and each bracket has a different tax rate applied to it. You'll identify which slab your taxable income falls into and apply the corresponding percentage. It's crucial to use the correct tax slab rates for the financial year you're filing for. Finally, subtract your eligible deductions from your gross income to arrive at your net taxable income. Then, apply the tax rates based on the applicable tax slabs. Don't forget to also claim any exemptions you're eligible for, like those for certain government benefits or investments. The result is your total income tax liability. Accurate calculation is key for peaceful filing.